Beshi, so bumili ako ng first ever Apple Watch ko, which Hi Beshies! Good morning and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon ng inyong Ate Jaja for today's vlog. Today's vlog is another unboxing vlog or video. And I know it's been a while. Ano ba yung last na na-unbox ko? Air fryer. Yan. Air fryer pala ng Kaisavilla yung last na in-unbox ko. But this time though, it's different because it's very special sa akin. And ang i-unbox natin for today's vlog ay Apple Watch SE. So, yes, I recently bought an Apple Watch SE and to tell you honestly, Beshies, wala talaga sa isip ko ang bumili ng Apple Watch, but I wanted to track my calories. Gusto ko sanang matry yung fitness watch, ganyan. And yung smartwatch, basically. I ordered before a smartwatch sa Shopee and review ko rin siya. But it's the cheapest brand ng smartwatch. However, this time though, napag-isip-isip ko na wala pa pala akong graduation gift para sa sarili ko. So, I've decided na ang regalo ko na lang sa sarili ko ay ang Apple Watch SE bilang kakagraduate ko lang naman last year. And seryoso, Beshies, ito talaga, my friends and family knows this about me na hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa mga material na bagay. Mas nagsisplurge talaga ako sa travel, like kung saan ako pumupuntang province, and nakikita nyo naman sa vlogs ko yun. Anyway, so yun, makwento ko lang, before ko siya bilihin, hindi talaga ako makatulog or hindi ako mapakali. Sabi ko, gusto ko talagang pumunta sa mall para bumili ng watch. Kumbaga, very impulsive din somehow yung pagbili ko. Talagang pinilit ko na bumili, and I've been telling my office mates na gusto ko talaga ng relo, gusto ko talaga ng Apple Watch. And alam niyo yung feeling na basta, gusto ko talaga siyang bilhin. But anyway, it's just an unboxing vlog and eto na siya! Hi Beshies! So, are you guys ready? Ito na ang aking pangarap na Apple Watch! Let's do the unboxing. So, this is the watch. Ayan siya. This is Apple Watch SE. And ang color niya is Midnight. Beshies, so bumili ako ng first ever Apple Watch ko, which is the Apple Watch SE. And we are going to unbox it. This was already unboxed sa Power Mac Center to check if meron defect or if meron bang kailangang palitan. But of course, I also wanted to do a separate na unboxing sa end ko para mapakita ko sa inyo yung nasa loob. So yan, Midnight yung sport band niya, of course. So yan siya. Let's do it. Dun, 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 dun. My first ever Apple Watch, Beshies. I am so happy. So yan, let's do it. So, meron siyang dalawang boxes. One is for the strap and the other one is for the watch. Open muna natin yung sa watch. So, ayan. Ta-da! Designed by Apple in California. California King Bed. So, pag open nyo ng box, makikita nyo na agad sa may left side yung watch. So, kunin natin siya. And by the way, Beshies, I'm not sure bakit nauna pa yung Apple Watch sa pagbili ko ng tripod. So, ang ending, hawak ko yung camera, and then I'm also doing the unboxing. Anyway, so this is the watch. Ayan. Ayan siya, Beshies. Ta-da! Oh my gosh! I still cannot believe though na bumili ako ng Apple Watch. I've been wanting to buy this for so long, but of course, naghahanap pa ako ng reason kung deserve ko ba. And I told myself, na wala pa pala akong graduation gift. So, might as well, diba? So, yun siya. On that same box, meron siyang papel. Ano ba? May nakalagay ba dito? I think meron siyang nakalagay kung instructions or whatever. Alam mo, hindi naman binabasa to ever. Or baka ako lang. And then, you would also see the charger. Ayan, nasa box din na yun yung charger. Ayan, tanggalin natin din sa cover yung charger. Ayan. Teka, ang hirap niyang tanggalin, beshi. So, one moment. Ayan siya. Ito yung charger niya. Okay, so dito nilalagay yung watch. And then, pwede siyang i-connect dun sa charger adapter naman ng iPhone. So, laban. And the bottom box is the strap. So, again, since midnight yung color na napili natin, eto rin malamang yung color ng strap. But, you know what, beshi? Super dami na ng strap na available online. So, you can buy different straps and different design kung gusto nyo. And for the strap, beshi, so let's do this. So, pupull lang natin siya here. Tcharan! So, ito na yung strap niya. Meron naman siya instructions kung paano siya ilalagay. And, ayan yung color. Para siyang grayish. Hindi talaga siya like super black na color. Ano siya? Kind of like grayish in color. Ito yung color ng strap niya, beshi. So, yan. Beshi, so yan. Meron naman siyang instructions on how to attach the band. Sabi dito is to attach the band, slide in until you hear a click. And I did hear a click, so I think I did the right thing. And here's our Apple Watch now. Ayan. Shala. Shalalala. So, yan. It's now resetting. So, that's it. Grayish, dark gray in color. I actually like it. Hindi ko siya pa magamit kasi low battery. That's it, beshi. So, yun nga. Super happy ko na natanggap ko yung app. Natanggap? May nagbigay. Anyway, I'm super happy na finally meron na akong Apple Watch. And ito siya. Araw-araw ko siyang suot. Yan. Hindi ko pa rin napapalitan yung strap niya though. Ito siya. Yan. Super, super helpful siya sa akin ngayon kasi I'm trying to lose weight and tatrack niya yung calories ko. Pwede akong maglagay dito ng fasting app na Zero. I can do a separate vlog and show you what's on my Apple Watch and what I love about my Apple Watch. Siguro, it's a separate vlog na lang. But this time, I just wanted to show you kung gaano ako ka-excited na nabili ko na siya finally. And I really love it. Ever since na binili ko siya, araw-araw ko talagang siyang sinusuot. But sabi ko nga, I'll do a separate vlog about it, review, or kung ano man yung feedback ko about Apple Watch, battery life, and any questions that you may have, just leave it sa comment section para ma-address ko siya sa ating next na video about Apple Watch SE. That's pretty much everything for today's vlog. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Follow and like my Facebook and Instagram page as well. Ang link ay nasa description down below. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy sa inyo at sa inyong buong family. God bless us all and see you on my next vlog. Bye!